Okay, hello guys, this is Rani Ahmed with you. I've just returned from the airport and I just got my a new set of eyepieces. It's there on the bed. Okay, see this big white box. It's an original Celestron 2-inch eyepieces. Okay, um, I've just got it right now. Thanks to my mom. She was in the US and she gave me this one. Okay. I asked her to buy it for me because it's too expensive to buy through the normal way. So through shipping, things like that. So I might buy best not to go into taxes and things like that. Okay. So here's we're opening it, and if you can see. Okay, let's plug in the charger. Hopefully, see, this is it. This is I bought it from Amazon. Okay, this is original Celestron. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's heavy. It is heavy because it's a 2-inch eyepiece, not the 1.5, 1.25, an inch and quarter. Yeah, maybe. Yes. Just give me a second. Okay. So here. Okay. Put it out. So this is the Celestron. Okay, it has nothing inside it. That's the case as is. Okay, you know I'm the only man who's holding the camera. I'm not using my tripod. I'm really like, happy that I got it. Okay, and yes, with the filters and everything, it's a huge case. Okay, and by the way, I'm not gonna put my opinions on this. Just wanna use it. Okay, so if you think this is a review, this is just a way to tell you what's inside the case. So as you see, you open it like this, and voila, yay! See, this is the case, the papers, the documents. Okay, let's see the back. Cool, yay! This is 2-inch material. Okay, this is the Barlow. Okay. This is the 40 millimeters eyepiece. This is the 32 eyepiece. Okay. This is the which one? This one. Yeah, this is the 26 millimeters eyepiece. Okay. Those are the filters. Okay, this is one. Okay, huge filters. Okay. Come on, baby, come on, get out. Okay, let's see you. Okay, and tomorrow you will see which is the slider for 2-inch eyepieces. Okay, 2-inch filters. I mean, what is this? This is the keys for the. Let's see. Okay, sorry for the cuts because I'm putting the charger. Okay, and what is this? I forgot what is this. Okay. Yes, this is the prism. Okay. That's it. Ooh. Sorry for the cuts in the video. I'll have to join them because I don't want to lose any second. Okay. I want to make it as real as possible. So, yeah, that's it. Okay, bye. Bye. You can't see me like John Cena says of WWE, of the wrestling. Bye bye.